What is up, guys? Welcome back to the What is up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. Merry Christmas. In today's video, I'm going to take you through why I think Q1 is going to be extremely bullish for many of our altcoins. Let's get into it. But before we do start, guys, it is Christmas Day. I wanted to say hello to everybody who's been on the journey so far this year. What a year it has been, guys. What a year it has been. It has been an amazing year. If you maybe watch your videos and you're not part of the journey already, go and help me on my journey to 15k. If you're already part of the family already, go and leave a like and a comment on the video. So it looks like we had the Santa rally. Bitcoin went all the way back up to around like 99k-ish earlier. We're basically at 99k today. ETH at 3.5. ICP dropped down to number 30 on CoinMarketCap. I see a lot of people get quite upset when we lose like top 20 spot, top 25 spot. Doesn't really matter. We're still sitting at $11.27. But what are we looking for ICP to start to take the reins again? We're going to look into the Bitcoin chart. We're going to look into the USD chart. But we need to look holistically, guys. Altcoin season conditions. Bitcoin dominance pullback after a breakout. Ethereum surpassing its previous all-time high. And then others, which is pretty much everything apart from the top 10, breaking past their previous all-time highs. Look at the charts, guys. Could we be at the start of that Bitcoin dominance pullback? Remember, this could still be a fake out to the downside. If Bitcoin wants to, you know, this can like really shock everyone and break to the upside. However, when you look at all of the other charts, everything's starting to form a pretty nice picture for me to start to get quite bullish on Ethereum, bullish on ICP as well, guys. Ethereum looks like it wants to retest the all-time high and have a breakout. Who's positioned in Ethereum? You guys let me know. And then the altcoins, looks like they're ready to break out, guys. Another setup that I've been looking at is this one here from 2013 all the way to 2017, and then that breakout, guys. Very similar to what happened in 2021 at the top, all the way to 2024. Apart from this retest was a lot more drawn out. It was like double the length of time as what it was in 2017. So that did make it a little bit harder. Now, if you look on 2017, guys, we had one really big fat red candle. If we come to today in 2024, the red candle, you know, is not too much. So again, it is still in play for us to retest this previous breakout, fake out level, right? So around 80-ish K. For all of you guys who love the Elliott wave counts, it looks like we're in the middle of wave 3 right now, which is usually the biggest wave. This is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin on the 2-week chart. So we have to look at some of the larger time frames as well, guys, because that is where you get, you know, in the long term, a lot of your bullish outlooks on the market. So when we are saying like, you know, we dumped down 5% today, we pumped up 10% the day after, it doesn't really matter, because if you're looking at the weekly, the 2-weekly and the monthly chart, then you can hold through all that noise so much easier. And then if you want to relate it to Bitcoin, look at the bull pennant, guys. If this is the bottom of our flag target is going to bring us to 158k for Bitcoin. When you come to the ETH quarterly returns, look what's happened every post-halving year in Q1. Ethereum has seen some of the biggest gains that it sees through its entire cycle. We had 500% in 2017, 160% in 2021. What is 2025 going to be? I want to say, guys, that a lot, like, this cycle's been playing out pretty much perfectly to all the previous cycles. It's just that when we are super zoomed into the daily intricacies of the market, we start to get tricked out of the market. And that's why the markets can be so emotional. That's why so many people, they start coming on Twitter, they doom post, you know, they weren't ready to hold until 2025. A lot of the newbies in the market, they expect crypto, they hear crypto pumped up, you know, to all-time highs in a week. They're basing what they hear on the people that either are in meme coins or got in late into cycles and got lucky in the last cycle. They don't understand that it actually does take years of patience. But then we come to ICP and look at the ecosystem. It's pumping. The ecosystem is pumping. Who invests in what? This Diggy coin has been going absolutely insane. Cloud made it back out of the trenches. Motoko looking good. Popeye looking good. Guys, let me know what coin to ape. I tweeted out last week, let me ape into a coin. And I got some mixedy signals. I think the majority of you guys said to buy. What did you say to buy? Oh yeah, that was it. You said to buy McDonald's. You guys did a CTO. That's crazy. So yeah, if anyone's in McDonald's, then let me know. If anyone else is in, like Bob was a big one. You keep shilling me, Bob. But I mean, that's a lovely looking chart, guys. This is like perfect bull pennant that is forming right now. I wouldn't be surprised for this to be like breaking out tomorrow, the end of the week, maybe into the new year, and then trying to tackle that all-time high at around $3.50, which is going to be over 100% move from where we are today. But who got in at the lows? Who had big balls and got in all the way down here at like 10 cents? Who got in at around 30 cents? Who got in maybe even at $1? You guys let me know. Something interesting for ICP is happening right now, guys, and it looks like it is ready to break out against the Solana pair. Again, we'll check out our Bitcoin pair, our USD pair in a second on our trading view, but is ICP and maybe a bunch of other coins going to start to outperform Solana? Solana's already done a 20x this cycle, guys. Many people don't realize that. It was at $8 in the bear market. I saw that thing at $8. I only bought it at 20. Still up 10x though. Is ICP's turn coming pretty soon? Could be. And if you look over the past year, usually these things show like the past week, 24 hours, month. The most active crypto-based projects on GitHub, ICP, like nearly double Mina. ICP has been killing it. You're not even seeing top movers like Solana or Sui on here. I saw a lot of people saying, why do people invest in Sui? Blah, 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 blah. Look, the developer activity is looking pretty good. Could the price start to follow? When we come to the USD pair, 100 MA. I feel like I'm a broken record right now, guys. But we found support at the 100 MA, and it looks like we're starting to break out of this descending channel that we were in, guys. Support again was going to be on our buy level at $10.75. Who bought the $10.75? That's why we had that here, because I said, look, if we get $8 again, absolutely happy with the buys. But if we don't get it, then at least we got the $10.75. And right now it looks like, fingers crossed, that could have been a pretty decent area to be picking up. Are we going to have a retest? Are we going to have a breakout? I mean, if we really do make that a little bit better, then technically we could still be in the channel right now, guys. And we could be on the cusp of a breakout. Where would that bring us? Of the move to here. Is that going to bring us all the way to around a $17 ICP in the next move? Could be, guys. And what we're going to do is we're going to say that is going to be our medium-term target. So maybe over like the coming couple of weeks. I am expecting maybe one sort of last shakeout, fake out due for January time, and maybe we have like one last flush to the downside. But if we don't, then this could just be the start of a grind all the way up to 1793, being that we do break this. So if we don't break it, we come back down again, we can get our lower targets. If we do break it and we, you know, start to push up, then we've got to break $14 and 17.93. But that's it. That's just a quick Christmas ICP update. Merry Christmas to everybody watching the video today. I hope you all had a fantastic day with your families. Let me know what you did for Christmas. Let me know what your plan is for the new year. If you made it this far, support my journey to 15k. Click that subscribe button, like the video. I'm seeing you in the next one. Peace.